What if your next car could save you money, reduce your carbon footprint, and still deliver the performance you need? The Honda CR-V promises all that and more, but does it truly live up to the hype? Let's talk about the 2025 Honda CR-V, a compact SUV so versatile it could probably double as a Swiss Army knife if it had hands. Over the years, the CR-V has become the go-to choice for families, adventurers, and anyone in need of a reliable, stylish, and efficient ride. For 2025, Honda has upped the ante once again, delivering a CR-V that's smarter, sleeker, and more fuel-efficient than ever. Whether you're hauling groceries, shuttling kids to soccer practice, or just cruising around town, the CR-V is built to handle it all, and look great doing it. A stylish first impression. Let's start with the exterior, because first impressions matter, and the 2025 CR-V doesn't just show up, it arrives. Honda's fresh design language has given the CR-V a bold new look. Picture sleek lines, a striking grille, and sharp LED headlights that give off serious, "I've got it together" energy. Even if your life feels like a chaotic mix of work deadlines, carpool duty, and existential crises, the CR-V will have everyone fooled. It's polished, professional, and just sporty enough to turn heads without trying too hard. Like that friend who always looks effortlessly cool. Honda didn't just make the CR-V pretty, they made it smart. Aerodynamic tweaks improve efficiency, so this SUV isn't just cutting through the air, it's gliding with purpose. And the colors? There's something for everyone, from classic black and white to eye-popping reds and blues. Even the let's keep things neutral crowd will find shades to love. Step inside, your personal sanctuary. Open the door and you're welcomed into an interior that feels more like a cozy lounge than a car. Honda knows you're going to spend a lot of time here, commuting, road tripping, or just escaping to your driveway for a moment of peace. The seats? Incredibly supportive, perfect for everything from cross-country adventures to late-night drive-through runs. Legroom? Generous. Even your tallest friends won't feel like pretzels in the back seat. And then there's the cargo space. Need to haul a month's worth of Costco groceries? No problem. Packing for a family road trip? Easy. Bought a giant plant because you suddenly decided to become a plant parent? The CR-V says, "I've got you." The rear seats fold down effortlessly, transforming the trunk into a cavernous space that will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. Tech that makes life easier. In today's world, even your car needs to be tech-savvy, and the 2025 CR-V delivers. The standard 7-inch touchscreen is intuitive and responsive, coming equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Everyone in the car can play DJ, no AUX cord fights required. Want even more? Upgrade to higher trims for a larger screen, wireless charging, and a premium audio system that makes every drive feel like your own personal concert. Whether you're blasting 90s throwbacks or vibing to the latest hits, the sound quality is so good, you might not want to leave the car. Then there are the little touches that make life better. A heated steering wheel for cold mornings? Yes, please. Dual-zone climate control to keep everyone happy? Absolutely. And multiple USB ports because, let's face it, one charger is never enough. Honda's thought of everything. Power and efficiency. Perfectly balanced now. Let's pop the hood. The 2025 CR-V comes with two engine options, and both bring their A-game. The standard 1.5-liter turbocharged engine delivers 190 horsepower, giving you plenty of pep for city driving or highway cruising. Want something greener? The hybrid option combines a 2.0-liter engine with two electric motors, producing 204 horsepower and impressive fuel efficiency. It's smooth, quiet, and eco-friendly, like driving a car that's constantly in Zen mode. Speaking of fuel efficiency, the CR-V shines here too. The standard engine gets up to 34 miles per gallon on the highway, while the hybrid takes it up a notch with an incredible 43 miles per gallon in the city. Less time at the pump means more time doing what you love, or pretending to be productive. A driving experience to love behind the wheel, the CR-V is a joy to drive. The suspension smooths out bumps and potholes like they're barely there, and the responsive steering makes navigating tight corners or chaotic parking lots a breeze. Opt for all-wheel drive, and you'll be ready for anything. Snowy commutes, muddy trails, or even that neighbor's steep driveway that turns into a slip and slide every winter. Safety. That's always watching safety is Honda's priority, and the 2025 CR-V is packed with features to keep you and your loved ones secure. The Honda Sensing Suite comes standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a collision mitigation system. Think of it as a co-pilot that's always alert, even when you're distracted by the car karaoke session happening in the back seat. With top crash test ratings, the CR-V is proof that you don't have to choose between safety and style. Affordable excellence starting at around $30,000, the 2025 CR-V offers incredible value. Even the base LX trim comes loaded with features, including the Honda Sensing Suite and a well-equipped infotainment system. Move up to the EX or higher trims, and you'll enjoy extras like a power moonroof, heated seats, and premium tech, all without blowing your budget. The hybrid trims are the cherry on top, combining sporty upgrades with fuel-saving efficiency. The perfect companion for everyone. So, who is the 2025 Honda CR-V for? Honestly, it's for everyone. Parents juggling kids and groceries? It's your lifesaver. Urban dwellers who need something easy to park but roomy enough for weekend getaways? Look no further. Adventurers, commuters, and anyone who just wants a reliable, stylish, and practical ride, it's got you covered. In many ways, the CR-V is like that friend who's amazing at everything but stays humble about it. It's stylish without being flashy, powerful without being wasteful, and smart without showing off. Whether you're looking for a road trip buddy, a daily driver, or a car that'll make your neighbors jealous, the CR-V checks all the boxes. So, what are you waiting for? Take the 2025 Honda CR-V for a spin and see for yourself. It's more than a car. It's a trusted companion, a hard-working partner, and a little bit of a show-off, but only in the best way. Safe travels, and remember, the right car can make all the difference.